What's the meaning of atmospherics? Atmospherics. Atmospherics.
Atmospherics. Atmospherics. Atmospherics generally refers to the variables that contribute to the overall atmosphere or mood of a particular environment or experience. These variables could include things like lighting, temperature, sound, and even smells. The result of carefully managing atmospherics in a given setting can be a more engaging and effective experience for those involved. For example, a retail store might use specific lighting, music, and scents to create an atmosphere that encourages customers to stay longer and make purchases. In short, atmospherics are the elements that help set the tone and influence our perceptions and emotions in a given space or situation.